Hi guys, I am Max. Welcome back to my channel, Your Helper. In my previous video, I was told you about English grammar tips. How can they help you to learn English grammar? Now I am starting English grammar lessons on my some students and friend request. Today is our first lesson. So in our first lesson, we will learn about parts of speech. There are 8 main parts of speech that they can help how to explain word in use in a sentence. So let's start. There are 8 main parts of speech, also known as word classes: nouns, pronouns, adjectives, verbs, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. First is noun. Noun means naming word. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, Daniel, London, table, teacher, city, hope, pen, dog, cat. Example in sentences. Mary lives in Sydney. Mary used pen and paper to write letters. Number 2. Pronoun. Mean replaces a noun. A pronoun is used in place of a noun perhaps to avoid repetition. Examples of pronouns: I, we, he, she, it, him, her, this, those, they. And examples in sentences: Nina is tired, she wants to sleep, I want to her dance with me. Number 3. Adjective. Mean describing word. An adjective describes, modifies, or gives more information about a noun or pronoun. For example, big, green, young, happy, tree, crazy. And for examples in sentences, you can: the little girl had a pink hat. Number 4. Verb. Mean action word. A verb shows an action or state of being. A verb shows what someone or something is doing. For example, go, eat, play, walk, like, are, is, live, speak. Example in sentences: I like Woodward English. I study their charts and play their games. Number 5. Adverb. Mean describing a verb. An adverb describes or modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. It tells how, where, when, how often, or to what extent. Many adverbs end in ly. For example, slowly, quietly, very, tomorrow, well, never, always, and here, etc. Example in sentences like I am usually busy, and yesterday I ate my lunch quickly. And yesterday I ate my lunch quickly. Number 6. Preposition. Mean shows relationship. A preposition shows a relationship of a noun or pronoun to another word. They can indicate time, place, or relationship. For example, at, from, with, about, between, under, on, near, etc. And example in sentences: I left my keys on the table for you. Number 6. Preposition. Mean shows relationship. A preposition shows a relationship of a noun or pronoun to another word. They can indicate time, place, or relationship. For example, at, from, with, about, between, under, on, near. etc. And example in sentences: I left my keys on the table for you. Number 7. Conjunction means joining words. Conjunction joins two words, ideas, perhaps, or collages together in a sentence and shows how they are connected. For examples: and, but, since, unless, so, because, yet, if, etc. And examples in sentences: I was hot and exhausted, but I still finished the marathon. Number 8. Interjection meaning expressive word. An interjection is a word or phrase that express a strong feeling or emotion. It is short exclamation. For example, ouch, great, help, hey, hi, oh, wow. For example, in sentences: wow, I passed my English test. Great. Ouch, that's hurt. So, if you have a great desire to learn English grammar, learn these parts of speech and practice every day, everywhere. So you will succeed soon. So take care. See you in next English grammar class. If you like our lesson, subscribe and like our channel Yours Helper.